Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Black Kite, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Black Kite, start by visiting their official website. Look for the contact or support section on the homepage. Click on the link to access contact information and resources. If you are looking for specific information or services, explore the services menu. Select the relevant category that best matches your needs. Review the details provided to understand what Black Kite offers. If you need direct assistance, locate the customer service email or phone number. Prepare your inquiry or support request before reaching out. Clearly state your needs or questions in the communication. If you prefer a quicker response, consider using the chat feature if available. Be sure to provide any necessary information that could help expedite your request. Once submitted, wait for a response from the Black Kite team. Check your email frequently for any updates or additional questions they may have. If you haven't received a reply within a reasonable time, follow up with them. For more detailed inquiries or partnerships, look for a dedicated contacts page. Identify the appropriate department for your needs, then reach out accordingly. Inquire about any webinars or events they might host for further engagement. Stay active on their social media channels to receive updates and new information. Follow their accounts for additional resources and community interaction. Ensure you engage with their content to establish a connection. Consider joining any forums or discussion groups they may have. This can broaden your understanding and network within the Black Kite community. By following these steps, you'll successfully connect with Black Kite and access the support or resources you need. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.